Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem Temu coupon. So in order to do that, first of all launch Temu application and then make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now simply tap on the option of You at the bottom. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of Coupons and Offers. Now, once you come here, you can see various options like unused, used, and expired. You can tap on any of these options and view your coupons and offers. So if you go to unused, you have to simply enter your coupon code on this field and then simply tap on the option of apply. If you can't find your coupons, you can also try signing in with other account that is linked to Google, Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. You can also select the option of self-service to find coupons. Now let me tap on that option. Now you will be led to this page where you have to choose any of these options, either your phone number or your email address to find your coupons. So I'm going to tap on email address. And now you simply have to enter your email address on this field. So as I have entered my email address, I'm going to simply tap on the option of find coupons. Now you simply have to open your email or check your SMS if you had used your phone number, and then you have to enter the verification code sent to you, and then you will be able to redeem Temu coupons just like this. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.